In this video, I'm going to show you how to zero out undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. So as you can see here inside my chart of accounts, I do have some undeposited funds, so it's a little over 2K. This is just some demo over here, but of course it's going to work for this tutorial. So what you have to do, it's super simple. You want to go to the button over here, top left, the plus button, and you want to go to Other and Bank Deposit. Now, whenever you click on that, you want to choose the correct bank account from the drop down over here. I'm just going to go into Savings, for example. And then over here, you can select the payments included in this deposit. So you can just go ahead and check off the payments that match the deposit on your bank statement. So I'm going to do both of these right now. And I'm going to click on over here and click on Save and Close. Now, whenever you do this, you'll see that whenever this updates. So if I go ahead and refresh this chart of accounts over here, you'll now see that whenever I do this, there's not going to be any more undeposited funds. So as you can see here, it's zeroed out. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.